What's it? Yeah.
Yeah. Yay.
Yeah.
Where's Henry? Where's Henry? Are you gonna go get him? That is Henry. That's Henry.
No, I'm not talking to him.
That'll be after.
I don't even know if I have English. Yeah.
Alright. Tyler, speak into the camera. Plead your case. Pete will see this, so.
There's really no case to be had.
Okay.
Done.
Whoops. What happened to your cousin?
What did you say?
Cousin.
Okay.
Oh, watch those glasses. Watch those glasses. Come on here, guys.
Henry, over here, buddy.
Come on, Alex. Come over here and play. Let's see you play.
What's Alex doing?
Come on, big boy. Where's Henry? Where's Henry? Go get him. Hi. How do you feel?
Hammer.
How do you feel about this situation?
Tyler is a fucking idiot.
He's throwing up, and Katie's gonna go into labor tonight.
Where did Daddy go? It's a good question, Henry.